breaking news coming in from the state of Rajasthan, where in Rajasthan, questions are being constantly raised on the government regarding vaccine wastage. Republic finds that vaccine doses in Jaipur are being dumped. These are the latest reports coming in of a Republic investigation that has now revealed, and after being questions that have been raised constantly on the Rajasthan government regarding vaccine wastage, Republic has now found out as to how vaccine doses in Jaipur are being dumped. In fact, in Rajasthan, we have, according to the Republic investigation and the reports that we have accessed, questions are constantly being raised on the government regarding vaccine wastage. For more on this, let's go across to my colleague Niranjan joining us over the phone line. Niranjan, over to you.
Well, this is a report that the Republic team has filed from Rajasthan. In fact, here questions are being raised on the government regarding the vaccine wastage. So we did a little bit of a reality check on the ground, and we saw that vaccine doses in Jaipur, Ajmer, Karoli, some doses were in the box which had only empty vaccine boxes. So essentially, we saw that some amount of vaccines were being wasted. Now, the Rajasthan Chief Minister has also been complaining about the non-availability of vaccines and blaming the centre. So, while the blame game continues, what we see is that in some places there was some wastage of vaccines. There was also a report in the local media about, nearly in excess of 2,000 or 3,000 doses that were wasted. So, on the back of those reports that suggested that some of these vaccine doses were found in a dustbin, etc., we have found out that there is certainly vaccine wastage that is being reported, and some of it also captured on camera. So in the course of our reporting, we will continue to bring some more facts of what we have found. I'm handing it back to you for now.
All right. Thank you so much, Niranjan, for getting us that update. We'll be closely tracking all the developments. All right, we are also getting in this reaction coming in by my colleague in Rajasthan, and questions have constantly been raised on the government as well regarding the vaccine wastage. Republic also found out that vaccine doses in Jaipur are being dumped. Take a look.
जिले ऐसे हैं जहां पे आपकी वैक्सीनेशन जो है वो ठीक ढंग से चल रहा है, लेकिन कई ऐसे इलाके हैं जहां पे डोज जो है वो वाकई में वेस्टेज जा रही है। आज कुछ इलाकों में हम जयपुर के आसपास में घूम करके आए, तो एक वाइल में जो 10 डोज होती हैं या 9 डोज होती हैं, उसमें से भी कुछ बची हुई पाई गई, लेकिन वो वेस्ट में रही।
आप किसी को हाथ पकड़ करके घर से जबरदस्ती नहीं लगा सकते। आज तक जो भी देश में टीकाकरण हुआ है, कुछ भी हुआ है, उसमें सबको लगाया जाता है। कोई बाध्यता बीच में नहीं रखी जाती कि केवल इसी को लगाओगे, और पहले से उसका मूल्यांकन किया जाता है। तो न तो केंद्र सरकार ने पहले से मूल्यांकन किया कि कौन कितने सेंटर पर कितने लगेंगे, किस कैटेगरी के कितने लगेंगे, और न ही उन्होंने छूट दी कि अगर आपके पास 10 वाइल बच जाए, 20 वाइल बच जाए, तो आप वो डोज दूसरे व्यक्ति के लगा सकते हो। तो मैं समझता हूं कि केंद्र की नीति के कारण से पूरे देश में वेस्ट हुई है। कोई राजस्थान अकेला प्रदेश नहीं है, और राजस्थान में तो वैक्सीनेशन में पूरे देश में सबसे अच्छे तरीके से वैक्सीनेशन लगी है, ज्यादा वैक्सीनेशन लगी है, और बहुत कम वैक्सीन के डोज जो है वो वेस्ट हुए हैं। बाकी अन्य 12-13 स्टेट्स में बहुत ज्यादा वेस्टेज हुई है।